When and if recession happens, who gets impacted and why? In very simple language and by using a lot of logic and common sense, today we will find out who might get impacted by a recession and who might not. So please watch this video till the end. These videos are anyway not more than 5-6 minutes. People are asking me questions. My skill is in Salesforce, my skill is in SAP or Python or data science. Will I get impacted by recession? Nobody can predict that, my friend. The only way is to understand how this works. So let's start from the top. At the top, your company is doing some business, and because of recession or because of some changes in the economy, if there is a business impact, which means either the revenue drops, which means that the company is not able to generate that much revenue, or if the margin drops, which means the company is not profitable anymore. If any of these two scenarios happen, then companies generally control or hold their budget on the IT projects. Let us remember that some of the IT projects are really core projects, which means they are the lifeline of the company. So these projects need to continue. But some projects are not lifeline. They are good to have. They are not must have. So the company can very much hold the spend on these projects. They will say, oh, we don't want to execute these projects now because our revenue and margin are not good. We will probably execute these projects after 6 months. So in this case, anybody who is working on those good to have projects might go on bench or might need to find new projects. If the company is executing these projects in-house, then the employees will get impacted. If the company has outsourced this work to some other vendor, then the employees working for that vendor on this project will get impacted. So if the project goes on hold, employees go on bench and then they need to find some other work. But how does the company decide which employees have to go on bench and which employees do they want to retain? Over here, again, a logic is used that companies want to retain their top performers. So if there are any top performers in the team, companies want to keep them. They want to retain them. They don't want to push them on the bench. So that is number one, safe category. Number two is people who are good performers, but who have also gained a lot of business knowledge about the company's business, about the business process, or about the domain. So if they have any domain experts, business experts, people who understand their architecture and other technical stuff very well, which a newcomer will take months to understand, these are again the set of people that companies don't want to release. They want to retain them. One point which we need to note over here is, if you are a new joinee, if you have recently joined this company and because of certain reasons, if the company stops these IT projects, then the new joiners may become a lot more uncomfortable because they have not even got a chance to perform. Okay, so even if they have a lot of good knowledge, they might have cracked the interview, there is no opportunity to perform. Okay, because as soon as you join, within few days the project is going away, and they have not even proven that they know the stuff, they have gained business knowledge or anything of that sort. So that is why changing your job at around recession time is a bit risky, because the new organization will not have that much value for you which they will have for their existing set of people. Reason is simple, because the existing people have performed, they have confidence in them, and they know that they have spent time in the system, so they know the business knowledge as well. Apart from these factors, there are factors like flexibility and ability of individuals to cross-skill, learn new things. And then there are people who will be very adamant, who don't want to learn things, who want to do only a specific set of work in a specific set of technology. So if you have one primary skill, one secondary skill, and if you are ready to be flexible and adapt to the situation, then there are high chances that you may be retained as well. And last but not the least, relationships, working relationships, and the kind of rapport that you have built with your managers or with your senior leadership or with the customer and other stakeholders matters a lot. At the end of the day, remember, nobody wants to let go valuable people with a lot of knowledge and the right attitude. If the business situation is not good, people who are adamant, who are not flexible, who have not proven themselves, these are the people who are most likely going to get impacted first. And with these scenarios, we actually also understand that why being stable in one company or being stable in one particular domain or with one customer actually helps you in the long run, and why hopping jobs is not a great idea as such if you do it very frequently. So these are some of my thoughts. I hope you got the point. I will be very happy to read your comments and respond to them. If you have more ideas or different views as such, please let me know in comments, and I will see you tomorrow with another trending topic. Till then, take care. Bye for now.